Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. A little bit something different today. Want to introduce you to something that I've been teasing a little bit, and yeah, I got a new car. And here it is. The Alfa Romeo. It's not a Quadrifoglio. It is a Giulia. And as you can see, it's in Monte Carlo blue. And I just want to talk to you guys about this car because, man, I'm telling you, I have never been happier with a car. I come from the JDM world, and this car, the handling, I just can't explain all the things that this car does, and it does well. So let's go into it a little bit. I'll show you what I've done. This is a 2017, and yeah, it's a base model. And I'll show you kind of what I've done. So one of the things I added was the carbon fiber wing or spoiler in the back, and also the 19-inch staggered Alfa Romeo rims. Nice, I like those. I also put that badge there. It's not a Quadrifoglio, it's an Alfa Giulia. So I also wanted to thank Modded Motors and Alpha Mods, and I think Rod's Rides, because if it wasn't for them, I would have not gotten this. And the reason I say that is because I didn't trust an Italian car, better yet, an Alfa Romeo. You know what I mean? We all know that it has its history, just put it that way, in America. But that being said, I have never had a car that has handled and done things so well, so quickly. So if you go inside, and you look around in all this, I actually did have to add a CarPlay. Since this is a 2017, it doesn't come stock with CarPlay, but it has a lot of room. I've also done the little Quadrifoglio start button. Surprisingly, I've had a BMW. I have had a G37, and the creature comforts of this car are really outstanding. So, following Alpha Mods and Modded Motors, kind of what they've done, I've done the BMS cold air intake. I've also, if you can see back here, and you probably can't, looking at those screws, there's some bleeder screws back there that they told you to replace. It's a failure point on the Alpha, so replace those. And all in all, it's kind of funny because the car itself just seems to do things well. Like I said, I've been scared about Alpha, still kind of scared, but you know, it's something you get used to, and it's just fun. The car is just fun. I also, in the front, added the carbon fiber, I guess, V-Lil, whatever that is. I added that too. Yeah, and if you can see that, I've also added the Alfa Romeo little door lights, which kind of sets the car off. So this car is fun. It's fun. So far, it's been reliable. It does the job when I need to do the job. It looks the part, and I really enjoy it. You know, I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of people out there, oh, Alphas are bad, Alphas are this. Well, I did get a nice extended warranty on this, just in case. But so far, it really has, you know, fulfilled all the needs I had for this car. You know what I mean? So, in closing this little video, I want to thank, again, Alpha Mods, Modern Motors, Ron's Rides. These are channels that you might want to go look at if you're interested in purchasing an Alfa, because they give lowdown on how to get everything done that needs to be done to the car. And little, I guess, tips and tricks to keep everything going well. So, with that being said, if you like the videos, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until the next one, I will see you guys later. Late.